get through into Q3. And if you don't, second. Looking at Fernando Alonso. He's coming out of the back of the car, scuffing along the bumps into the first turn. He flicks it into turn one, into shears. The black McLaren looking stunning under the lights, shimmering. Now heads off into the lap. Alonso needs to find 7 tenths of a second. More as well to the inside, the DRS flap on the back. The rear open. DRS open, minimum downforce required on the rear end of the car. Next closes again once he snaps on the road. Major braking event on the circuit. Only a 10th down from Rosberg on the first sector of the lap, as was Jenson Button, who's just behind at the back of shot. So the two of them following each other through this lap. Now just the McLaren coach section around Anderson Bridge. It's pretty good. Alonso's able to ride in that turn 13 as much as possible, get the power down. It's a bit of a scuff against the Pirelli sign there. Now heads towards the end of sector 2. Wow! Oh, this is for 10th, so the comparison is a 10th up on 10th position. Oh, the hats in the wall. That's behind the two McLarens, but that is going to compromise other people's that probably bring out the checkpoint is happening anyway, but it means that everyone has to go slowly past there. We've also got one of the Hondas pulling off, Jenson Button pulling off as well. This is sort of dropping off. The only person who's going to get a clear lap here is Fernando Alonso. He's going to be in the 7th position and go himself through. Here is a replay of Romain Grosjean into Singapore swing, loses under the brakes straight into the retaining wall. Absolutely nothing you can do. The car snapped on him as soon as he touched the brake pedal.